This year, Small Business Saturday will probably look a lot different. The good news is that with all that has gone on in 2020, there has been a surge of love for local businesses, and it's allowed many businesses to bounce back stronger than ever. Consumers are supporting their favorite neighborhood businesses by breaking out their wallets. And that's good news for small businesses across the country. 32% of consumers say that they would spend more money at locally owned businesses during the holiday season, and that the internet will be their starting point for their shopping journey. This holiday can be a win for small businesses, and consumers benefit by finding great new local products and services while supporting their local communities. When shopping locally, $68 for every $100 spent stays in the community, while only $43 stays in the community when shopping non-locally. Shopping locally also offers a more unique product selection, which is the primary reason that shoppers state they prefer small and local retailers. Stay tuned for our series of tips over the next couple of weeks leading up to Small Business Saturday. You don't want to miss them. Check out our Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram pages for more information on how to prepare for the coming day. Thanks for watching.